It's summer in Germany, for that it's time for short hairstyle. Hello everyone, this video is the one you have all waiting for, the ultimate guide you need, where I will show you step by step how to apply to any German university without the need for any agency, either directly or through UniAssist depending on the study program or on the university. I will show you that the application process is easier than eating chocolate. Who hates chocolate? How dare you? Those are the timestamps for the video. You can hover over to check what you really need. However, I think it's quite useful to watch the video till the end to not miss any tip. In addition, I have made this flowchart of the application process which I'm going to explain. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mahdi Takash and I do videos on tech, life experience stories, tips and tricks tutorials. So consider subscribing if you want to boost your knowledge in this area. Now let's jump directly into today's topic. First thing first, you have to know what's the way you want to submit your application. There are two ways. The first way is directly where you have to send your documents to the university by post or uploading them to the online portal of the university. The second way is through UniAssist, which is a platform or organization that takes care of proofing students' documents and apply to the university through it. To know which way you have to submit your application with, simply go to that, filter the study programs based on your preferences, enter on a program and click on the requirement registration tab. At the bottom of the page, you can find the way to submit your application. Here's some study program examples on direct application or using UniAssist. It's obvious from its name that's a straightforward application process. That means after preparing all the documents, we have talked about it in the previous videos, you have to submit your application directly by either a soft copy on the online portal specified by the university or as a hard copy by sending your application directly by post to the university address. Some universities or programs accept to submit a part of your documents online and the critical ones by post. UniAssist is an organization that evaluates international student applications for 180 German universities. They evaluate and check your certificates and then you can apply through them to the chosen university or study program. The chosen program should mention explicitly that's applicable through UniAssist or not, as I showed you before. Let's jump directly to the UniAssist platform. Go to Google and write UniAssist on the search bar, then choose the first link. Go to the right upper corner to change the language to English if it's in German. Then go directly to the How to Apply tab, press on it and choose after that Apply Online. After that, press on the My Assist, which is basically the UniAssist online portal for applications. Now we need to sign up an account in UniAssist. To do so, press on the Login button in the right upper corner. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in. Otherwise, you have to sign up and create a new account. Fill the fields by your email and strong password and check the little button to accept the website terms and conditions. Then after that, go to your personal email. There you will receive an email from UniAssist to activate your account. After activating your account, return to UniAssist and log in using your email and password. Then now it's time to fill your personal data, your gender, name, and so on. You don't need to check anything from these two boxes below. Unless if you don't have any national passport, check the first box, or if you are a refugee in Germany and you want a refugee application, please check the second box. Click forward to go directly to the second page where you have to fill your contact information. Fill first your name and last name in the first blank and then in the rest field fill your current address. Click forward to go to the next page. You are now in the other information section. First, if you already have a UniAssist number, you have to fill in the first blank. Then choose if you are married from a European citizen or not, and in which language would you like to be contacted with, English or German. The last two blanks are not part of our process now, and it's for other type of applications, so keep it empty. Accept the terms and conditions and click on send application information. A box appears at the top stating that UniAssist is going to contact you by message and you have to confirm that you will regularly check your inbox. Thus, now the responsibility is on you to always check your mailbox. You can see at the top that application information is marked now in green. That means you have already filled it. Now it's time to fill your educational history. In the school leaving qualification section, you have to fill all information related to your school, like if you have graduated from school, from which country, and what's the name of the high school certificate you got from the country where you have graduated from. Then you select yes or no if you have passed the Feststellungsprüfung or University Qualification Exam, which is the final exam of the preparatory course or Studienkolleg. The Studienkolleg preparatory course is an institution that prepares students academically and linguistically for their studies in Germany during a one-year course. So if you haven't done that exam or course, select no. In the degree section, if you have graduated from school and you want directly to pursue your bachelor study in Germany, you have to click no and go next. However, click yes if you have completed or you will soon complete a university degree program of at least 3 years. Then choose the country where you got this degree from. Choose the university name and the name of the university degree, for example, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Engineering. After that, choose the name of your university subject, for example, electrical engineering, finance, nutrition. If you have test as, test for foreign students, enter test as participant number and test date. If not, click no and continue. After you have filled your personal and educational history information, you are now in the page where you can select programs that you want to apply for. You can search directly based on keywords in your chosen program or filter based on university or university location. However, I highly recommend to go and check my video where I will show you how to choose your suitable study program before applying, so then you are sure about which program you want to apply for. It's a short video, around 5 minutes, and it's gonna save you so much time and efforts. I will keep the link in the description and in cards. Let's go to the My Applications tab. Here you can see two tabs. The first one is the application overview to check your submitted application status. The second one is the documents to upload the documents needed for your application. However, in the documents section, you have to be aware and careful concerning what documents are acceptable as online soft copies and what documents you have to send them as certified hard copies by post. Also, be careful to sign the documents that needs to be signed, like the university application, before sending it, otherwise the application will not be considered. Based on UniAssist website, I'll keep the link in the description. Before doing anything else, you have to check whether your chosen university or program accept an online only application or does it require official certified hard copies of your documents for UniAssist pre-check. Note that this is something different than the direct application I showed you earlier in this video. In case the online only application are accepted, then no problem here. You have to upload all your documents directly into your MyAssist account. Follow the upload instruction in the documents section to make the evaluation easier and faster. In some cases, you will need to later submit the officially certified copies to the university to be able to enroll in the program. However, in case the university or program requires the hard copies for UniAssist pre-check, then you have to upload only the documents that do not require official certification into your MyAssist account. These are usually other documents such as proof of internships, CV, letter of motivation, letter of recommendation, for example. Then you have to submit by post the hard copies of your documents that need official certification or notarization, such as education certificates, your proofs of language proficiency and their translations. Please send them as quickly as possible after submitting your online application. UniAssist should receive your documents at least 8 weeks before the application deadline. Note that you only need to send these documents once by post, even if you are applying for multiple universities. I also recommend to check my previous video where I'll show you what are the documents needed for each study program and how you can check and find them. Choose as many programs as you want. You can find and check the chosen program in the selection list on the right upper corner near my inbox. Sometimes, depending on the program chosen, you have to answer some mandatory questions. Click on the red line and fill all the information they want. You can also remove and delete some of the program in the list. The fees of the first application is 75 euros. After that, each application will cost 30 euros. You might think this is expensive, but this is actually cheap compared to other countries. Plus, you do everything by yourself without the need of any agency. If you are a refugee, your first application cost might be for free, but ask more about this matter. Finally, proceed to checkout to pay and choose the payment method you want. Then you have to wait and check always your inbox and your application overview section. Let us conclude the steps in a flowchart, pause the video or take a screenshot. Hopefully I didn't miss any information, and good luck in your application journey. Guys, that's all for today. If you have reached this point, then I would like to thank you. Comment below if you have any questions concerning the university application. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content. Share the knowledge with others. Don't choose wrong. See you in the next video. Peace.